Good morning. Today we will be learning Thuja occidentalis. Common name is Arborvitae families conifers. The main theme which runs along conifer family is disassociation, feeling of being cut off. Separation refers to as a sensation of brittleness, glass-likeness, fragility, and an inner emptiness. So, conifer family mainly feels three sensations at mental and physical level, that is emptiness, brittleness, and easily breaking or lack of connection. Due to the emptiness from within, there is a sense of brittleness and fragility. For example, if egg is emptied from within, it can be easily broken. That means it is very brittle and apt to be fragile. Same feeling goes through the Thuja family. Okay, so if there is strength from within, there is no sense of brittleness, but if there is a sense of emptiness from within, there is a brittleness and a feeling of being easily broken. So it is broken it is not a bond which is being broken, it is broken from himself or herself only. It will be crumbled and disassociated from himself, from myself only, not from others. Okay, therefore there are many delusions which runs to Thuja. That means body is being disassociated, body feels like a glassy, or mind and body are separated, body parts are very brittle and delicate. So these are the delusions of Thuja. It has a fixed mindset that his body is brittle, and music causes weeping and trembling of it. Life animal word in abdomen. So there is a disease name called pseudocyesis, in which there is a feeling that abdomen is enlarged and there is something alive in abdomen. So we can give that in cases. The main theme which runs through the Thuja is bad effects of vaccination. After being vaccinated, some diseases have been manifested, whatever may be the name of disease. If we see in the past that he has been vaccinated, and from that point he is not being well since. Due to vaccination, some can manifest fevers, some can manifest eruptions, or some skin eruptions, especially which are in pustular form. And whatever may be the name of disease, if we see in the history that the person is being sensitive after being vaccinated, then Thuja is definitely a remedy. Similarly, for bad effects of vaccination, Cilicia is also indicated. It is for general use only and for convulsions also, but Thuja is indicated specifically for diarrhea or dysentery due to vaccination, and also vesicular eruptions after being vaccinated. For asthma, for acutely when arsenic is given, so to give relief in chronic form, Thuja and natrum sulph can be given. Okay, the main sphere of action of Thuja is central nervous system. Therefore, it is very helpful in neuralgias. So, if we look into the headache type, it is like a nail is being driven on the vertex, and pains are very stabbing. So, headache is like nails driven onto the vertex, and headache is specifically in the frontal region on a vertex. Vertigo when closing the eyes. It is seen in lachesis and theridion also. So headache transmit from face to the backside, and when face and similar manifestation but in opposite direction is seen in Spigelia, when the headache from backside is transmitted front side. Okay, then we will see gonorrhea. It is a great remedy for gonorrheal discharges, whether in man or in woman. The discharges are thick, greenish or yellowish, whatever may be the kind. Okay, it is the best indicated remedy for warts. Warts can be on genital regions, maybe on specifically male genitals, may prepuce or whatever, and in genitals it can be on anus also. So Thuja has a property of softening the tissues, therefore the warts are dissolved. Okay, so in warts we see that it get dissolved by Thuja, and there is specific perspiration which has a sweatish smell specifically from genital organs, though it is very foul smelling from other parts also, but there is a peculiar symptom that is sweatish smell. Fissures or furrows are also seen about the anus. Okay, Balanorrhea, the whole manifestation of the gonorrheal picture. For teeth ache due to drinking tea, and the teeth decay at the roots, and the upper part is perfectly normal. That is enamel part above is perfectly normal. Cough is in the daytime, which is and its sputum is like old cheese. Okay, some Allen keynotes which we should definitely consider is that sweat is on uncovered part or except the head when he sleeps, and when he awakes, sweat is gone. It is the reverse of Sambucus. And stools recedes back when expelled, like Silesia. Okay, and bad effects of suppressed vaccination or suppressed warts also. Okay, aggravation is at night from heat of bed at 3 a.m., 3 p.m., from cold air, damp air, narcotics. Hahnemann has given some peculiar symptom that from the warmth of hair he feel coldness. It's a very different symptom though. Okay, thank you. That was all about Thuja occidentalis.